Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps to transfer Google Play balance to your PayPal account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, before getting started, make sure to update both of your application and also make sure to check your internet connection. So in order to transfer Google Play balance to your PayPal account, so Google Play balance is non-transferable according to Google, which means that you can neither transfer it to other wallet nor you can use it to purchase outside the Play Store. Now basically this means that you'll not be able to transfer Google Pay balance to your PayPal. Now there are some alternative which requires a third-party application. So this method are not exactly a reliable source, but then you can give it a shot. In order to follow the steps, you need to download the third-party application. So open up your Play Store and on the search box you need to type in Google Play Credit Transfer. Once you tap on it, you'll have a list of options. Now there are two specific apps which will help you to transfer your Google Play balance to your PayPal account. So the first one is Taski Opinion Reward Converter. You can download this application, and similarly you have the other application that is Reward Converter. So you can select either one of these following options. Both the application has a similar feature. So first thing, I'll show you how to operate Taski Opinion Reward Converter. So for that, download the application. Before you start with the process, the application will notify that you need to follow the instruction at your own risk, which means that the application will not be responsible for any of your loss. So you need to do it at your own risk. As I've already mentioned, these are not the reliable source of. Now after you've gone through the terms and conditions, if you want to go on with the process, then you need to tap on sign up. Once you do that, next thing you need to do is create your account. So you can either create your account using your email or your phone number. Once you're done creating your account, next page you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Next thing, you need to buy the token amount using your Play Credit. After you purchase the token, you need to click on convert, which is right at the bottom. Next, you'll be redirected to the page where you need to select the payment method, in which way you want your money, and provide the details accordingly. If you face any loss or if there's some inconsistency with the account, then the application will not be responsible for your loss and you need to go on with the process at your own risk. So back to the session. After you've provided all of your information, you'll need to wait for 7 days to process your money into your preferred account. So this is the way how Taski Opinion Reward Converter app works. And similarly, you have other application that is Reward Converter, and the Reward Converter application has also a similar feature. Now on this page, do the same thing, that is create an account, and after that you need to buy the token using your Play Credit, and then you need to provide your information. Once you're done providing your information, you need to tap on convert reward, and you need to wait for a couple of days, and after that you'll be notified about the issue. So those were the method on how to transfer Google Play balance to your PayPal account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.